Oh my goodness. If you're making, you know, $40, $50, $80 or $100 a board or every 2 boards, and you're just doing that 5 times a month, that's extra 500, you know, 300 to 500 bucks in your pocket. You're chilling, have a good time with it. Yo, what's going on, everyone? My name is Dez360 and welcome to Flipping Boards, where we teach you everything on how to buy, sell, and trade anything from skateboards to cardboard, trading cards, and such. So we're gonna get right into it today. We are unboxing 2 skateboards, and I'm gonna tell you a bit about the skateboards. And if you're at home, if you collect skateboards, if you collect trading cards, this is a great channel for you. Why? I'm literally gonna show you all you have to do, or if you want to collect skateboards or Pokemon cards or Yu-Gi-Oh cards, whatever it is, there's an opportunity for everyone at home to do what you enjoy and make a little bit of money on the side. Flipping Boards is all about that. I'm gonna unbox some skateboards, I'm gonna tell you about them, and then I'm gonna tell you about the price, and if you wish to resell or flip them, you can do so. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Let's get right into it. Let's flip. So today we're going to unbox one of my favorite skateboard brands. This skateboard brand takes elements of anime and mixes them with skateboards, which is beautiful. I think that's the cool thing about skateboarding. You can take this piece of wood here, you can skate it, or you can throw on some artwork, and I believe that's allowed skateboarding to grow so much more, not just as a sport, but as a lifestyle and a culture. So you don't have to technically be out there every day, even though if you are, big ups to you, shouts out. I'll get out there, I'll do a couple tricks, tray flip, kick flip, whatever. But you can collect. And as you can see here, I have these cool boards. They remind me of things, influences, and then you have the business side of things, which is buy, sell, flip, buy, sell, trade. You could trade too. Okay, so let's start off with this first board here. As I mentioned, shouts out to Jeremy Klein Industries, hookups skateboards. You could check them out. I'll have the description so you guys can go buy some boards in the bio. And Jeremy Klein is known for releasing these really, you know, hand screened boards that he makes. Oh my goodness. So much nostalgia behind these boards. These boards have been around for almost 20 something years now. Almost 20 something years. So it's a whole generational thing. And if you can get your hands on them, amazing. So this one right here, literally what I just mentioned. Boom! Anime girl. I'm taking her out of her plastic. And when it comes to flipping skateboards and flipping whatever, but in skateboards in general, if they have shrink wrap, these come with plastic. So they're not shrink wrap, but it all contributes to the value. This is an incredible skateboard. Why is it incredible? Oh my goodness. The colorway, anime girl. This artwork is well known over the years. You have the black matte. This is the matte black paint. Wow, this is a beautiful skateboard. And you can just tell, look at the detail here. Now, we're gonna get into it. I believe this is an 8.4, which is a rare size. Flip it to the back. You get your wood grain. This one's purple on the back. Jeremy Klein Skateboards, hookups. Jeremy Klein Industries. One more time. Honestly, this is like a grail to me. This is a grail to me because I would see these always sell out and I always wanted to get my hands on them. So what's it worth? So this beautiful skateboard is, I paid $70 plus shipping. So the thing about when you order off of hookups, there is additional shipping charge, which is like 10 bucks, sometimes up to $18 if you purchase multiple skateboards. So that does drive the cost up plus tax. So in total, I probably paid around $85 for this board, which honestly is a steal. Because the thing about Jeremy Klein skateboards and hookup skateboards is they really sell out quickly, and it's not like he's constantly releasing them. He'll do like a restock maybe a couple times a year, and you never know what boards it's going to be on. So, or he might just say, I'm not dropping it again. Like, he owns his own brand, so it's up to him. But I'm just going to say, I've seen this online on eBay like I mentioned, I'll drop a link and I'll have a video where we go on eBay and we literally look at board prices and card prices together, so you can get a better understanding of what they price for. But I paid $85, tax and shipping included, and personally I believe this skateboard is worth 100, and I'd say it's already worth $140. There are some people, like internationally, the thing about Jeremy Klein skateboards, so $140 US. Internationally, these things go up way more. I mean, there are people in Japan that would pay $200 for this. So I'm just gonna be on the, you know, the lighter side of things. When you're flipping, you kind of want to look at the spectrum. Like, okay, best case scenario, I'm selling this for 200. You know, then in the worst case, I'm selling it for like 120, 125. So you'd profit like $40 to $60, and then on a good flip, you'd make like $100. But this is gonna be hard. I don't think I'm gonna flip this one. I've been waiting for this board for so long. This is gonna be right here on the wall. So shouts out to Jeremy Klein, hookups, and incredible skateboard. Incredible skateboard. I just really like the detail. Wow. What do you guys think of the board? Rate it out of a 10. Drop a comment. We're gonna do one more board, guys. As I mentioned, when it comes to flipping, I always talk about the golden rule: flipping what you enjoy. You have to, because you know, you might end up being stuck with something for a while. You might not end up profiting as much as you thought, or you might hit it big. But at the end of the day, if you're collecting what you enjoy, you know, things that bring up nostalgia, things that are interesting to learn about, things that are fun, you're gonna get more value than just money, right? So for me, I love skateboarding. So yeah, of course I want to make money, but I also get to relive like nostalgia of skating and why it's so cool, like the graphics, being a kid and having the graphic and showcasing that. So you always want to do that. But if you're flipping, you gotta get some profit, and you might be a quick seller, or you might be someone that holds the board. I could hold this, and in 2 years, this board will probably be worth $300. It's like that cool. In 5 years, it'll probably be worth $400. The thing with these rare custom skateboards, they just go up and up and up and up. It's just, are you willing to wait? And what kind of flipping do you want to do? Right? So there's no right or wrong way. It just depends on how you feel about the boards and the style that you want to, and the path you want to take. So let's unbox the next board. Okay, here we go. I'm already so hyped. It's a hookups day. Jeremy Klein came through in the clutch. All right, let's see what we have right here, guys. I don't even know. The thing is, I purchased a ton of skateboards and I didn't open them until I got the studio. So we're like figuring this out together, which is great. But I have this plan and how to sell and what I've been doing and my theory, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So hey, look at that. All right, you guys. Now, another thing about Jeremy Klein, he appreciates anime. And anime, hey, ladies, this is part of it. This is part of anime. We didn't make the rules. We just appreciate them. Hey, horizontal graphic. This is rare. We have Lumcham in bed. Lumchan in bed. That's the name of this. Obviously, it's pretty graphic. It's as graphic as graphics can get. Just kidding. It can get a little more graphic. But this is a beautiful skateboard. Now, guys, on an artistic perspective, notice this is shrink wrapped. Notice the beautiful coloring, right? You get the beautiful greens. You get the stars with the, oh my gosh, with the red. I just love everything about this board. Starry night right there. You know, and then the wood grain on the back matches, because that is teal color. So you get your teal, you get your epic board. These came out in pretty limited quantities. This is a brand new drop. It just dropped, I would say winter 2021. So early, like February type thing, January, February. And then there are only quite a few of these. So this was, if I'm to be correct, 80 or 90 bucks. And I've seen it listed for 180 already. And that makes sense because, as I mentioned, these are art pieces now. We're looking at skateboards as art pieces. I believe that we're ahead of the game. Just like everything, when Pokemon boomed and everyone was trying to get Pokemon, you always want to try to stay ahead of the game. And I believe skateboards are the future. If I were to flip this 180, quick $100, this right here I'm holding on to, because that's just, I can just tell it's gonna be worth a ton, but it has sentimental value as well. But yeah, that's it. I mean, really, if you're making, and I say this every video, if you're making, you know, $40, $50, $80 or $100 a board, or every 2 boards, and you're just doing that 5 times a month, that's extra 500, you know, $300 to $500 in your pocket. You're chilling, have a good time with it. Let me know what you guys think of these boards. We're gonna keep flipping skateboards. We're also gonna flip, we're gonna unbox trading cards, Pokemon cards. I'm gonna do a big haul on that. But we have a lot of content. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you're learning something from this. As I mentioned, key things to remember: shrink wrap, right? What condition? These are brand new skateboards. So we'll do another episode with used skateboards and we'll see how that varies on the price. But there's still value there. There are used skateboards that you can flip and still find value. Matter of fact, I'll show you one right now. Hey, usually we only do two boards per episode, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this right here is a hookup skateboard, another Jeremy Klein, anime girl, right? And Jet Pilot, this is called Jet Pilot. So I'm showing you guys this because this board, it's used up. I skated it, yeah. But I'm sure this could still sell for close to $100 as a complete. The beautiful artwork, this board could still sell for $50. Like, these are commemorative pieces, collectible items. And that's the beautiful thing about skateboarding, trading cards, all that. All right, you guys, Des360, flipping boards. We'll see you next time. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Let's build this community. Skateboards are the future. What's your favorite anime? I want to talk to you guys. Shouts out to Hookups. Shouts out Jeremy Klein. See y'all later. Peace.